Hey, what's up guys? My name is Drake and today we're going to be reacting to One Guy 40 Sound Effects by Black Griffin because he's awesome. So, yeah.
Hi, my name is Gabriel Brown.
I'll be judging how accurate these are. Not that I'm dissing if they're inaccurate, it's just, I don't know. It's what I do.
Or Black Griffin, and I'm gonna make a bunch of weird noises. Here we go.
Wow, alright, yeah. Good start. Toad wasn't that great though. We have a bunch of toads, they don't really sound like that. Why did you have to have the cooked chicken though?
Oh, I'm crazy.
Why did the grumpy cat one kind of sound like a like Daffy Duck? Not Daffy Duck. What's his name? One of the ducks from Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse, is it? Donald Duck. Yeah, Donald Duck. Why did it kind of sound like that?
It worked.
That is horrifying noise. Oh god.
Hey pal, wanna get out of the way?
These are pretty good. I do want to point out that he is at almost 1 million subscribers and he still hasn't upgraded his microphone. I mean, he doesn't really need to. I mean, it sounds fine, but like 1 million subscribers, you know, time for an upgrade, right? I don't know. It's just one of those things.
Requiescant in pacem.
That's me in real life. Hey,
Big facts, big facts. No joke.
I have no idea what I'm doing. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.
That was not a good applause.
If you did like this video, feel free to check out some of my other stuff. There's links in the description and at the end.
And don't forget to subscribe to Black Griffin. Almost at 1 million. Hope him get there, but yeah. Why everyone moved to Discord 138. The Skype call, yeah, pretty much. I'm a little scared by how good he is imitating different types of birds. Oh my god, I think I'm going insane. But yeah, there we go. People prefer to watch my videos when they're short and sweet, so that's what this one's gonna be. So yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, slap the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.